Good morning, we're on the GBP USD here on the M15 time frame, looking to place a trade based off of our 3 time frame multi-time frame strategy. Right now we're looking at a short-term continuation signal that's come up before the analysis boundary while ITM Smart Money is red, indicating this is a short-term retracement. We're likely to see further short side momentum, also confirmed by Genesis Elite saying future price moves is short. Moving down a time frame to the M5, we're looking at a very strong reversal signal off of the highest probability short reversal zone that has bounced into the low strength boundaries, currently retracing at very low volume according to Smart Money, thereby indicating further short side momentum again. Now we're going to move to the 1 minute chart here. I haven't refreshed the data on the GBP USD in a few days, so this might take a few seconds, but once it loads up, which shouldn't take too long here, in a few seconds, we're going to see if the M1 time frame also confirms what we're looking at on the M15 and M5, and if all three are lined up. Here we are. We are seeing a breach of the highest probability long reversal zone with very low volume in that retracement to the long side, indicating further short side momentum coming up here on the M1 as well. So if you've watched the webinar, you'll know that these breach signals are very, very powerful and have a high win rate, very consistent win rate on these setups. So not only do we have another signal pointing us in the same short side direction, we have 3 time frames lined up in the same direction. So again, we're going to choose 2 15-minute bars for this trade due to expire at 11:15. That's roughly 30 something minutes from now, with a $5,000 investment. Whoops, lots of volatility here. Let's go back in and get that price locked in. We're looking at an 85% return on this trade. We are now into the trade. If we win this trade, the net profit on the trade will be 4,250, and we'll come back to you shortly here just before expiry or at expiry to show you how this trade transpired. Stay tuned. Alright, we're back with roughly 17 seconds remaining on this GBP USD low trade here, using the multi-time frame 15, 5 and 1 minute approach, and ITM Genesis Elite and ITM Smart Money as the leading confirmation indicators. All 3 time frames with the help of Genesis Elite and Smart Money pointed us to the short side. Pending moves were going to be short, since any retracements to the long side either carried very low volume or were bouncing off of major ITM Genesis Elite levels as described earlier. This led to a short side decision which we took on the high-low time frame inside the platform, opted for a low trade which had an 85% return, which has now expired in the money. As you can see, price escalated to the short side very aggressively and retraced up until a little further away from the entry point at expiry, leaving us in the money throughout the duration of the trade. And once this platform calculates the expiry here, we will be netting 4,250 profit on this trade executed using an investment of 5,000 fixed. Please choose your investment amounts proportional to your equity and as per your own risk management plans whenever executing trades in any trading environment. ITM Genesis Elite and ITM Smart Money are fantastic tools that allow you to develop consistent win rate strategies using a plethora of tools inside the indicator suites themselves. And if you haven't seen other strategies, feel free to look at the ITM Saturn Pro and ITM Genesis Elite replays pages. Also, register for the free webinar where a total of 7 to 8 strategies are described using ITM Genesis Elite and ITM Smart Money. Thank you very much.